So here we are in the deepest parts of the KPS HQ. It's the factory in there, and I've got to wear these goofy glasses, obviously, health and safety, very important for any company within the Dover operation. I'll just fix this up here. Stunning, you might think, yeah. I'm going to creep in here and just have a little look at the factory. Yeah, follow me in, and got to be a bit quiet. I don't know, I feel I should be creeping around a bit, even though we're fully compliant with everything we need to be doing here on the factory floor. So it is quiet, it's calm. You wouldn't think so, but there's 35 people working on this factory floor at any given time. It's a 24-hour shift. If you follow me around here, just have a quick pan around there. It's vast, it's very, very big, and this is just one part of it. And the workers are on the floor, very much female and male, very balanced, 50-50, which is quite sort of reflects Sweden generally, because the female employers and the male employers in Sweden feel they're getting a very even balance on everything that takes place in Sweden. So this reflects really the Swedish market. We're lucky enough to be able to interview a couple of them, which will form our next post.